Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 156. So let's start with the square here. We're missing 6 and 9, but we've got a 9 here. So 6, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 here and a 7 here. So 8, and that 7 makes this our 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so 3. We've got a 4 here, so that makes this our 6 and our 4. For this row now, we're missing a 1 and a 9, and I don't see any help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, looks like we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here. So 5, 6, no help here. 3, 5, 6, and no help here. 3, 5, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 and a 4 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 2, 4. To finish off this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so that's our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing a 2, which makes this our 3 and our 2. For this box, we're missing a 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. This box now we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. That 9 makes us our 1 and 9. Also, this 5 means we can get rid of this 5, and this 6 means we can get rid of this 6. For this box, looks like we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 8. And a 9 here, so this is our 3 and 9. For this row, then, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 5, 6, 3. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so that's our 7. A 1 here, so 4 and 1. And for this last box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 2, and 8 there, so 4 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today again. I hope you have a really great day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.